So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to remove an image background here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left where it says Inserts, located between Draw and Home. Press on Insert. Then go to where it says Pictures right here. So what you can actually do is select a photo from your browser, from a file, stock images, or online pictures. I'm just going to go ahead for demonstration purposes and select Online Pictures. Over here, we're going to be looking at some online photos powered by Bing that are actually royalty free in Creative Commons license. So what you can do is actually go ahead here. And if I wanted to select a photo right here of some animals per se, I'll press on animals right here. And how about a good one, for example, could be this bald eagle for demonstration. So we'll go ahead and press on insert right there. Now, if you want to remove the background, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left to where it says remove background, right below where it says home, press on remove background. And once you hear what you actually do is see a sort of an image, I guess a preview of it. So as of right now, it actually doesn't do a very good job at removing the background. So if you wanted to discard all changes or mark areas to keep, what you can do is actually just highlight it right here and you can kind of go creative that way. You can make circles and just kind of do this. So if you wanted to maybe keep the eagle just like this, you can try your best here to sort of get the border of the eagle. Let's just do this for demonstration, just like that. If you wanted to cut that off, you can try your best. It's not a perfect system, but you can kind of play around with it this way, just like that. So what I'll do here is I will actually just go all the way around this eagle just to see if I can try my best. It's not going to be perfect. Some photos will be a lot easier than others, for example. So just like that, you can play around with it. Now, once that is done, if you wanted to keep your changes, press on the green check mark right here. And there you go. So not perfect as you can tell, but you can sort of get creative and do whatever you want with it. Some photos are better than others, but it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to remove an image background here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.